between get to global consent and yourself. And I want to call on our MD CEO, Get to Global Concept Limited, to present this certificate as appointment as a brand ambassador. Get you, sir.
But I'm not doing my leg away from Get to Global Concepts, real estate and construction work, certificate of appointment as brand ambassador. This is certified at Sandoka, aka Sandoka, as we appointed as the ambassador, as a brand ambassador to Get to Global Concepts, real estate and construction work. Today is 22nd of September 2022. Congratulations. Good Lord of Paris. One shoulder you, yeah, sharp. People will make money for this time. Okay, then after the interview again, picture. Everybody is gonna face too.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Sandoka, Lady Sandoka. Congratulations to her for this a new ambassador where they give her for this house, this things where they say I no. So congratulations to her. I am so happy for her. Maybe they congratulate one maybe they congratulate better thing. Not be only to the wash baba things, to the wash saga, they wash this, they wash that, you know. No. At least maybe we see congratulate if we see person where they happy, we'll say happy with them because she talks say that the community where she build has put. So now they forgive her this I'm gonna she be the first person we don't build us for them. So now anybody we want to buy land for them, anybody we want to build for them now, they will go through her now. So we congratulate her. It's not easy to reach that kind of post at all. It's not easy at all, you know. So I am so happy for her, really, like seriously. I am so happy for her. It's not easy at all. You understand, my people? So I'll put a video make una see. I'm gonna congratulate her. I am so happy for her. I'm gonna share the video and hey, maybe we congratulate our sister. It's not easy. It's not easy. Now she be first person we build us for that community. So now she now be audience way of that community because it's not easy. Now not saying that first person we build us. Then they give all those titles well, you know. So now they don't make our ambassador now. So anybody we want to build us for that community now, you have to go through Sandoka. Small but mountain. I am so happy for her. Congratulations to her. Congratulations. So make I put the video, make una see. I'm gonna let me share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
I be the new brand ambassador of Get Rich Property. And I must say a lot of my friends, they ask me say, I bet Sandoka, that community where you can build us, I bet they still get land. And it's like every day people they ask me whether you still get land from my community in your house there, you know. A lot of people they tell me say I beg, I defend land where I'm have that around with us. Because with you, I'm not saying they don't connect my land. I see the solution don't come. Anybody right now from today, you defend land where you want to build your house. No worry, just call me. Get Rich Property, they'll cover you, no worry. So you defend house when you want that way they don't get finished, no worry. You don't want stress, you don't want they go set, no worry. Empty land now you defend, no worry. We get your back, give it back. And I'm not saying we know the pro and for waiting not correct. You know, anything we're not correct, we're not there, we don't come on. So Get Rich Property, no worry. Everything they, anything you're back, they are back. Even though we get property, I take the way you say we did. I take the way you say they Get Rich Property. They just come, not start. Not be this one will be 10 ways the guy will go again. This one will be dead. All those big men they start from somewhere. Yes, ma'am. Show. No good business. No bad I love you. The man now want to let me. Ana akoko modi. Bago akoko modi on kudo wa ni baba bo. Ega no. Omojo ma tele ni no wo. Le na ni je na ni ani ya fi we ye. Again, in my way, photograph woman for maybe set is auto, there are never why you do. Maybe you just or you will let. Photograph woman for maybe set is auto, you may never why you do. Maybe you yeah. So right now, one now will go, why don't you go to why you because in night you'll be on Jana. Hey, so now no more ya hair for party. If you're supposed to be right now, if Baba who are waiting, Mama will be back to it. So I beg one I don't want to go to one. I mean, I had to be so not now they cannot do a hope of money or make look the hour one over one. Maybe they cannot balance in any time. One hour or the network. They set it. They are your one. Don't you turn over one? Forget you my now. I did 4 down. Down now. And I didn't want to go with this to be please.
To get it with consent. Yes, sir. I want to call on our MD CEO, Get Rich Global Concept Limited, to present this certificate as appointment as a brand ambassador. Mr. Get Rich, sir.
But I'm not doing my leg away from Get Rich Global Concept real estate and construction work. Certificate of appointment as brand ambassador. This is certified at Sandoka, aka Sandoka, as we appointed as the ambassador, as a brand ambassador to Get Rich Global Concept real estate and construction work. Today is 22nd of September 2022. Congratulations. Good London, Paris. Much more than you. Yeah, trap. People will make money for this time. Okay, then after the interview again, picture. Everybody is going to face too.
I be the new brand ambassador of Get Rich Property. And I must say a lot of my fans, my friends, they ask me say, I beg Sandoka, that community where you for builders, I beg, they still get land. And it's like every day people they ask me whether you still get land from my community or my house there. You know, a lot of people they tell me say, I beg, I defend land where I'm have builders. Because with you, I not say they don't fit connect my land. I see the solution don't come. Anybody right now from today, you defend land where you want to build your house. Don't worry, just call me. Get Rich Property. They'll cover you, no worry. So you defend house you want that way they don't be finished, no worry. You don't want stress, you don't want they go set, no worry. Empty land now you defend, no worry. We get your back, give it back. You know, not say we know the go and for waiting not correct. You know, anything we're not correct, we're not there, we don't come on. So Get Rich Property. No worry, everything day, anything you back, pay your back. If not be Get Rich Property, I take the way you say me. I take the way you say the Get Rich Property. They just come, don't start. This one will be tell you that way you get. This one will be best. All those big men they start from somewhere. Yes, man. Show. No good business. No bad.